Good day, everyone. I am Prisha May Flores, and today I want to talk about something that touches all of us challenges. These hurdles come in many forms academic struggles, financial difficulties, health issues, or emotional battles. They are universal yet deeply personal. At times, challenges make us feel overwhelmed, but they also offer us opportunities to grow, learn, and become stronger individuals. A challenge is something new and difficult which requires great effort and determination. Challenges are not roadblocks, they are stepping stones. Imagine life as a journey up a mountain. Challenges are the steep climbs and rocky paths. They test your strength, patience, and determination. Without this test, we wouldn't develop the resilience needed to reach the peak. Challenges can help us grow as people. When we face challenges, we have to learn and grow in order to overcome them. This process can help us to become stronger, more resilient, and more compassionate people. These qualities can be helpful in finding our purpose in life. Every challenge teaches us something, like being adaptable. Facing a tough math exam or a work deadline teaches us how to adjust and find solutions. Resilient. Personal setbacks, like a failure, teach us to bounce back and try again. Empathetic. Facing struggles helps us to understand others' pain and offer support when they need it. Appreciable. Difficult times make you value the good moments and the support of loved ones. Being problem solver. Overcoming obstacles helps you develop critical thinking and creative solution. Self-aware. Struggles force you to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, and your priorities. Determined. Pushing through challenges builds grit and determination to achieve your goals. Tough times show the importance of leaning on family, friends, or mentors. It is okay to seek help. No one succeeds alone, and it changes our perspective on life. Difficulties often help you focus on what really matters. Let's think about some real life examples. Just like Thomas Edison, he failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb, yet he viewed each failure as a lesson. And just like my experience in life, I was bullied in elementary till high school, but I told myself that it will end and follow up the separation of my parents. At the end, I also accepted it and became even more stronger to stand on my own feet. And my heart disease, which I know eventually I will be operated on, and I will be get better. I pray for it so that it doesn't affect my study and activities anymore. During the times when we were going to school with no money but still continuing to finish school, Mom made a way to prevent this from happening again. When we were in the care of my abusive aunt, our life had no peace, but now we are moving on in love and living a quiet life. This is one of the memorable challenges that I experienced. And here are some strategies for facing challenges. Change your mindset. See challenges as opportunities rather than problems. Ask for help. It is okay to lean on others, family, or your friends or mentors when times are tough. Stay strong or persistent. Consistency and effort are key to overcoming any obstacles. When you push through challenges, you grow as a person. You gain confidence, skills, and a story to inspire others. Challenges transform you. Challenges are inevitable, but they don't define us. How we face them does. As you seek to understand and apply healthy ways of coping, such as eliminating overthinking, working from your strength, taking time for self-care, and finding meaning in your experiences, you'll be more prepared to face these challenges with peace and confidence. Each challenge is a chance to become better, stronger, and more compassionate. So the next time you encounter a challenge, don't avoid it, embrace it, because it is through challenges that we truly find our strength and purpose. Thank you.